Hey, thanks for coming by for the third and final day for this collaboration of hashtag Love Fall Art 2019, hosted by the group Creative Arts Collaboration. So let me go ahead and mark off my third and final day. This is today's video for the 20th. And again, I do want to thank Cinnamon for the invite. I greatly appreciate it. So, as you know from the last 2 days, I have done some kind of giant tags. If you did not watch my first day, please do. You will understand what my tags are about with this written on the back. It's been very therapeutic actually for me to do this. I haven't really talked about the situation very much, so this really kind of helped me. Like I said, it's not a lot of frou-frou and a lot of layering or anything, but it is about my friend. So here we are now, the third and final day, and I'm going to try something. So excuse me for 1 second and let's see if this works. I'm going to keep talking so you know that I am still here. I'm kind of walking around in circles. I am going to turn off all of my lights. Not sure it's going to work. I still have some light coming in my window. But I used glow in the dark paint in the middle of the jack-o'-lantern face. So thought that was something fun. So now let me turn the lights all back on. I just thought that was a hoot. I probably should have done this more in the nighttime and not so much, or at least pulled the shades, huh? So, you know where I got these supplies if you watched my first day's video. And I used some scrapbook paper, and once again, I tried to get rid of some of my old paints. It's all lumpy, and I had thinned it out some with some Floetrol. And this time I did a couple layers on it. So it's a little darker orange. And then once again, I used the same book of poetry. I told you I'm hooked on this book. I think it's because it's poems written by everyday people. Poetic Voices of America from spring of 1994. So let's read this poem. The Haunted House. Have you ever been in the haunted house? Nothing is friendly, not even a mouse. The doors and windows all go creak, and if you dare to take a peek, remember what I'm telling you. A lot of use that it may do. Don't go in an open closet. Don't turn off a leaking faucet. Don't go in the darkest room. Don't pick up a broken broom. Don't go near a crackling fire or listen to a ghostly choir. Are you remembering what I'm saying? If you're not, then you'll be paying in the haunted house. That was written by Nicole R. Cochran, age 9 in 1994. Hey, Nicole, wonder what you're up to today. Anyhow, these were my 3 tags for the collaboration. And I do appreciate you coming by to see me. And again, thanks Cinnamon for the invite. This was about my friend, more so than anything else. I took advantage of the opportunity, which I had not done in all these years. So again, thank you everybody for coming by. I do appreciate you very much. And if you don't mind, give me that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. Bye-bye.